Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to order a cab using the Bolt application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and click on where to, and here will already be some suggested places, but you can always just click on to one of them, like Debrecen Forum, and it will calculate the amount of time your driver will be here. And your options, you can opt for a normal cab and you can opt for a XL cab, which means if you have friends with you, then you can get a bigger taxi. And below you can choose your payment method. So once again, you can use your Bolt balance, but you can use Apple Pay, cash, or your card. And then just click on select Bolt, and then your cab will arrive. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.